So how to log in Instagram by using your Facebook. It's a PC version. Just press on top right corner logo and open setting. Press on setting again, and then you can see the account center. Press on see more in account center, and here you can see the connected experience. Make sure your Instagram already connected with your Facebook. Now log into with your account. Now select your account. First time you can see this kind of interface. You have to select choose which account you want to log in. Suppose I want to log into Instagram with my Facebook. Then press on Facebook, then just right mark this area, and now go back to your Instagram and use the same email address which you are using for Facebook, and use the same password as well. And once all done, just press on login, or you can say login with your Facebook ID. Just press on continue as Amy, and it will log into. So it's now successfully login. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.